Welcome to this week's meditation video. Today we're looking at a technique that I learnt from one of my students on our recent teacher training course. So it's wonderful as a teacher trainer that you learn so much from your students. So I'd like to share this technique with you. It's very simple, and I'm going to teach you the technique, then play 3 minutes of music. And in those 3 minutes of music, then you can practice the technique, and then I'll rejoin you. So you don't have to look to see if the time is finished. I just want you to concentrate for 3 minutes on this technique. So find a comfortable position, closing your eyes. And then what we want to do is, first of all, find the position. We want to find that comfortable position. So finding the position that allows the spine to have its natural curve. So we're not sinking down, we're not rounding the shoulders, but we're only going to be sat here for a few minutes. So therefore we can find that perfect position, shoulders relax, chin back and up, so we get that length from the tailbone to the crown. Take 4 nice deep inhales and then release. Just bringing our awareness completely to the breath here. Allow the breath to come down into the stomach, soften the rib cage, soften the stomach, soften the shoulders. Just try and keep the body as relaxed as possible. Just bringing a little bit of breath awareness first of all, settling into the position. And then what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in, and then imagine that you can see clouds in front of you. So you've got your eyes closed, you've got to see clouds in front of you. And we're going to breathe out through the eyes. That might sound a bit strange, but try it. So breathing in, and then imagine that you're breathing out through the eyes and pushing the clouds away. You're breathing in as you breathe out through the nose. You're bringing your full awareness to the eyes and the eyebrow center. So let's try that a few rounds of breath, breathing in. And imagine that you're pushing the clouds away with your eyes, and all you've got is the breath. So you're really focusing on the eyes and the eyebrow center. So we're going to try this technique for 3 minutes. Keep breathing, keep focusing. And if you want to take it a little bit deeper, you can imagine that every thought that comes into your mind is one of those clouds, and you're pushing it further away. Any stress, any conversations, any drama. So let's try that for 3 minutes. And now bring your awareness back to the breath. And we're going to complete our meditation practice with 4 deep inhales and 4 deep exhales. Keeping nice and soft, allowing the whole of the body to relax. And then gently opening your eyes. And then try throughout the week to practice that technique just for 3 minutes, just sitting comfortably and using your awareness into the back of the eyes, into the eyebrow center. Enjoy your practice. Namaste.